OpenSky is a secured credit card that lets people build credit without needing a traditional credit approval process. By the end, you'll know how OpenSky works, who it may help, and what to compare before deciding if the annual fee is worth paying. OpenSky is designed mainly for people who are trying to build or rebuild their credit history. Because it is a secured card, users typically provide a security deposit that acts as the credit limit. The biggest benefit of a secured card is that it can help create a record of on-time payments. Credit history improves through consistent account management, not simply by opening a new card. The annual fee is the main cost you need to evaluate. A card can be useful for building credit, but the value depends on whether the credit-building opportunity is worth the ongoing cost. Before applying, check OpenSky's current fee structure, security deposit requirements, and account terms. These details determine the real cost of keeping the card long-term. OpenSky can make sense for someone who has trouble qualifying for regular credit cards and wants a structured way to start building credit. A secured card gives you a chance to show responsible payment behavior while keeping spending controlled. The downside is that secured cards are usually not designed for people looking for premium rewards, travel benefits, or large spending limits. If you already qualify for a low-cost rewards card, another option may provide more value. Your payment habits matter more than the card itself. Paying on time, monitoring your balance, and avoiding unnecessary debt are the actions that help you get the most from a credit-building product. You should also compare OpenSky with other secured cards before making a decision. Look at annual fees, deposits, reporting practices, and whether the card fits your credit goals. OpenSky may be worth considering if your main goal is building credit and you need a secured option. It may not be the best choice if you are mainly looking for rewards or a card with no ongoing costs. The key points are simple. OpenSky is built for credit building. The annual fee should be weighed against the benefit you receive, and comparing alternatives can help you find a better fit. Before applying, review the latest terms and decide whether the card supports your credit plan. If this helped you understand whether OpenSky is worth the annual fee, like the video and subscribe for more simple credit card breakdowns.